Hey everyone, I'm Demu. I built CEE VEE Global using 80% AI-generated code, and it now serves over 27,000 users. What used to take me hours with page builders like Elementor and Divi now happens with simple AI prompts. In this video, I'll show you the complete live system, the FastAPI backend, WordPress frontend, and exactly how AI wrote most of the code that powers real tools people pay for. Here's my journey. I spent years fighting with WordPress page builders. Elementor, Divi, they looked okay, but were slow and painful to customize. Then I started using AI with proper prompts to generate code directly. Now my site loads faster, looks better, and I can build new features in minutes instead of hours. This isn't a tutorial. This is my actual business. Live users, genuine AI-built systems with my own thoughts. Let me show you exactly how it works. Let's start with what users actually see. This is my AI tools directory. Over 27,000 people have used these tools. Each tool you see here, the front end was generated by AI with proper prompts. Watch this. I'll use one of the tools myself. This entire interface, the logic, the styling, all AI generated. But here's what's really powerful. The magic happens in the connection. See, I moved away from Elementor completely. Instead, I use WordPress as a content management system and connect it to my FastAPI backend with simple code snippets. Here's how a tool gets embedded. I described what I wanted to Claude, how the style and page content should be, and it generated this. No more dragging widgets around for hours. Loading time went from 4+ seconds with Elementor to under 2 seconds with AI-generated code. Now let's look under the hood. My entire backend hosted on a Contabo VPS using Coolify for deployment. This saves me hundreds of dollars compared to traditional hosting, because I hosted everything in this server using Coolify. Here's what's running on simple Contabo $7 VPS, FastAPI, Redis for caching, Mongo, MinIO for S3 compatible storage, also N8N. Let's go to my FastAPI interface, which powers my AI tools. These are my actual API endpoints. Most of this code generated by AI, but keep in mind, do not let AI overtake your creativity. Always use AI as an assistant. I will show you everything how I did in upcoming videos. To show you, currently I upgraded my WordPress Error Expert tool for better output rather than generic error solution. I just asked Claude with this simple prompt, which includes my FastAPI output JSON, my action and user input. It generated this entire tool interface with a registered shortcode. Go to the code snippet plugin, create a new PHP code snippet, paste the code, copy the shortcode, create new page in WordPress and paste shortcode and save the file. Load the page, and the beautiful part, it works on the first try. When it doesn't, debugging with AI is faster than figuring it out alone. How easy to create interfaces with AI. But you should need to know how to talk to AI to get proper output as you need. Next, my monetization happens through a point system. Users get free points, can purchase more, and each tool usage costs points. This entire system, AI designed and coded with my own idea. The payment processing, point allocation, usage tracking, all AI-generated code connecting and using minimum plugin usage. Also in my WordPress site, I use Redis for caching, means responses are instant. MinIO handles file storage efficiently. This system scales better than my old WordPress-only setup ever could. All of this runs on a single VPS costing fraction of what managed services would charge. So that's CEE VEE Global, a real business serving real users, built 80% with AI assistance. Next video, I'm showing you the FastAPI endpoint build, every prompt, every iteration, every debugging session. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more real AI-assisted builds. Drop a comment below if you have questions about any part of this system. I read every comment and will help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.